What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Ty's Fishing Adventure. So just want to say happy Thanksgiving to everyone watching this. I'm out here, I'm going fishing, so
Quick, grab the net. It's a giant. I caught the fish off a nest.
drop shot,
It's a giant. I only got 6 pound test.
light line.
It's a giant. I told my boy get the net. It's a giant. This time caught him off a nest. Fluorocarbon.
Got one.
Used to just flip him in the boat, heavy rod, big line. Boss. Trying to work our way up to the top. It's a giant.
Again, like I said, I bought a couple of crankbaits, downsized a little bit on them. Gonna try to get out here, make a few casts, and see what I can make happen. Water's clear. A lot less windy than yesterday, so. Alright guys, kicking things off with this. Alright, I'll try my go-to. Cast all the way to the left and then bring it down to the right with the water. Finally! And it worked. Go figure. It actually worked. Stay down, bud. Stay down. Stay down, bud. Stay down. Oh, he realized he was hooked. I think I got him. There you go. Finally, guys. Alright, guys, what's up? Finally. Throwing around that rerange jerkbait. You guys, the guy here. Really pretty fish, too, guys. Look at that. Alright, guys, gonna go ahead and let this guy go. Alright, guys, just like that. Finally got one fish. Been out here for about 45 minutes or so and just landed my first fish. So I'm gonna keep throwing it around. Switched up to that jackall rerange and ended up getting a bite. So decided to keep throwing around that rerange jerkbait. Only thing I was getting bit on, so only thing I did different is try to do my same left to right deal. I know it sounds weird, but that's what worked. And then kind of lengthen the pauses. So I was kind of counting in my head like maybe 8 or 10 seconds kind of deal, seeing if that would work. There you go. Got him. There you go, guys. There you go, guys. Landed that one more. Got him again on that jackall rerange. Doing the same thing. That little cast out deal and let it kind of come down from one side. So second fish. I definitely thought it was bigger when I set the hook on him, but hey. A couple of small fish land in the video and a couple other fish land in the video as well. So had a pretty decent day. Tough, all things considered. I like to fish in different conditions because I think it just helps make you a better angler, more versatile angler, and an angler that's able to kind of deal with different situations that may come up your way. And just test yourself and see if you can keep it together and get it done. So a little bit about my setup and the jackall rerange here. Throwing that on the lews mach speed 6 to 7 foot medium action, and the Bass Pro Shops Johnny Moore's carbonlite baitcaster. It's an 8:3 to 1 gear ratio. This is what I was using today to actually get it done. So as always, guys, thanks again. You guys are awesome. Peace. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone, and hope you guys enjoy that giveaway closing up here soon as well. Gonna be picking the winner of that here very soon. So thanks again, guys. You guys are awesome. Peace.